my channel Talkative Lavanya, and today I have got 10 new smart phrases for you to speak in your daily life conversation. So friends, let's begin. So friends, our first one is short and sweet. Do you know its meaning? Yes, you finally understood its meaning. Its meaning is that when I'm speaking, right? Imagine that you're speaking something and your friend doesn't understand this. You are talking like this, and your friend doesn't understand it because you're talking too fast. Okay? So he can say, can you talk short and sweet? Its meaning is that, can you speak a short sentence instead of that? Like I went somewhere. Imagine that I went to my grandmother's house. And so I will say, I went to my grandmother's house. I said that, I saw that. And when I take when I'm speaking too long, then it doesn't make sweetness at all. Like I say, I went to my grandmother's home, I ate that, and I went to that place, I went to the park, I went there. So, does it sound sweet? And when you say shortly and sweetly, I went to my grandmother's house, so that is short and sweet also. So you understood its meaning. So our next one is on and off. Its meaning is not that sometimes you turn the fan on and then off. Its meaning is that bar. Okay? So you understood its meaning. So we will see to an example. Okay? On and off, I keep drinking water. बार मैं पानी पीती रहती हूँ. Okay? So friends, our next one should be more or less. Its meaning is not ज़्यादा या कम. Its meaning is that लगभग. Lagbhag's meaning in Hindi is when you say around that, so its meaning is that, okay? Like you went to buy salt and you asked for its price. Brother, how much does the salt cost? He can say more or less 19 or 20 rupees. Okay? So, in this sentence, he used more or less. Okay? So, friends, our next one is back and forth. Its meaning in Hindi is आगे पीछे करते रहना. So, I will give you an example. Okay? So, look, I am moving this chair. So, sometimes आगे, sometimes पीछे. So, it is moving back and forth. Okay? So friends, our next one is have a seat please or take a seat please. So when you want to say that feel yourself at home, so you can say have a seat please or take a seat please. Okay? So our next one is what have you been up to? So its meaning in Hindi is that इतने समय और दिन से क्या कर रहे हो? Okay? So I will give you an example. So its example is that when you don't watch my video, then I can say What have you been up to that you're not watching my videos? So its meaning is that. So friends, our next one should be lucky you. Its meaning is that भाई तुम तो किस्मत वाले हो. When you say and congratulate someone by saying भाई तुम तो किस्मत वाले हो, so in English you will say lucky you. You will not say you are lucky. It doesn't sound short and sweet. So friends, our next one should be put dash on. Explain its meaning. In dash you can put somebody's name on that you want to talk to. Imagine that I'm talking to someone and I want to talk to my friend. But my friend is not talking to me right now. Her father is talking to me. So I can say put Neha on. Imagine that my friend's name is Neha. So I can say put Neha on. Neha se baat karwana. Okay? So in this sentence you didn't use the phone. That can you give the phone to that? Can you give the phone to that? Okay? So in this you didn't have to use phone. So our next one should be do you mind? Its meaning is that परेशानी होगी क्या? So like I took somebody's scissors because I forgot to bring mine. Okay? So I can say, can I take your scissors? Do you mind? Its meaning in Hindi is, क्या मैं तुम्हारी कैंची ले सकती हूँ? क्या तुम्हें परेशानी होगी? So that is a polite way of asking something, right? So friends, our next one is I didn't understand this point. So its meaning in Hindi is मुझे ये बात समझ में नहीं आई. So you can say I didn't understand this point. Okay? So friends, our next one is मुझे लग रहा है तुमसे गलती हो गई. So friends, like you and your friend had homework and your friend did the homework like wrongdoings. He did wrong homework and then you say, I think you might be mistaken. Its meaning in Hindi is मुझे लग रहा है तुमसे गलती हो गई. Okay? So friends, with this phrase our video ends. So friends, the good news is that you learned 10 smart phrases to use in your daily life conversation. If you love this video, then please like. Its meaning is that you please give a thumbs up to my video, subscribe my channel to have more such videos, and share my video, not only this video, share every and each of my video with your family and friends. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.